organizing my cabinets, not just my kitchen cabinets, but my bathroom cabinets and drawers as well. Okay, so this is my bathroom cabinets right under my sink. That's my sink. So it's right under my sink. Our modular mates are not just for the kitchen. I just wanted to show you guys, it's not just to organize your kitchen, not just your pantry, for your flour and your sugar. It's for other things as well. So what I did was, this is just my temporary label until I go and make my own labels. You can always buy those little chalkboard labels and stick them on the front because it's erasable. But so this, and all I did was label it. So I did have toothpaste in here, but I have to go buy again because I just used the last one. So this is my square, and yes, the toothpaste fits right in there. And then this is a rectangular. So let me see. This is, I believe, a number 4. Yes. So this is a rectangular number 4. And like I said, all I did was label the outside. I mean, like you can see, I can see what's in there. So I know that there's Band-Aids in there. So in here, there's Band-Aids, Q-tips. Actually, I took the Q-tips out and stuck it in the drawer. Cotton rosettes, first aid supplies, and my thermometer. And I think my thermometer, I didn't put it back. Shame on me. So that's what's in here. This is the other side. So this is normally what I use here. So it's my blow dryer, and this is just a square. I didn't use the lid, but it's just so easy for me to put everything in there and take out when I need. My toiletries there. This is for the dog. I didn't put that in there yet, but what I did do was, I love this. So these are for my panty liners. Yes. And this one has a lid. I don't think we have the lids right now, but when they do come out, I like to buy them just for this. It's so easy to open. So this is what I put mine's in. And then, look at that. There's no way when you normally would put stuff in your cabinet, you can stack things. I mean, you won't have that much room. So what I did was, this is my ovals. You can use super ovals as well, but I just used whatever I had. As you can see, there's different color lids, different color seals. So in here, there's body oil gel and lotions, all the different lotions, as you can see. Yes, in Vegas, you need all of this because there's no humidity, hardly any humidity. Then these are all the face mask and makeup removers. So that's what I did in here. So this is all of Jen's when she wants to come over and do face mask. So I just put that in there. Before, I had these all in the drawer, and it would take up so much room. And then these are all our vitamins and medications, like the overstock. So like we always buy a lot of vitamin D because Martin and I have to take vitamin D, our Dayquil, NyQuil, allergy medicines, all of that go in here. And I just labeled it. Like I said, I labeled it, put it on, and this is a rectangle 4. Put it in my cabinet, and everything just stacks on top of each other, just like Legos. And look how much room. I mean, it just looks so neat. So that's the cabinets, okay? Let me show you the drawer. I could have put these underneath there, but I have these deep drawers, see? And so all I did was, so I have the toothbrushes, and I have to go buy toothbrushes. That's one good thing, is you can see what's in here. So these are toothbrushes. So mini shampoos and conditioner and soap. So, you know, like when you go to stay at hotels, of course you take those things. So I put that in there. And then I have my diabetic supplies, like my alcohol prep pads, my lancets, shower caps. When Genesis comes over, I have all these shower caps for her. And then in here, what is this? Oh, alcohol and aloe, when we were making our own hand sanitizer. So that is what I used to organize my drawer here. And then let me show you what's in the middle. Ta-da! So you don't have to use the covers, but you know what? This just kind of makes it easier for you to keep everything organized and more modular. So These are wax to wax. Martin waxes his arms because his tattoos. So that's all his supplies right here. Back here I have my Genesis's earring thing, nail polish remover, all kinds of stuff. And then I have all my other stuff here, my facial supplies, my perfume. Here's the cotton swabs, which I should put in a different modular mate. And then this is Martin's things. There. And then the top drawer is probably a mess, and it is. Remember I told you thermometer? Here it is. But this is everything. It's kind of how it keeps everything together instead of just all over and such a mess. So like I said, you don't have to use them with the covers, but this is it. This is what my kitchen pantry looked like back in Hawaii. I am currently living in Vegas and working on organizing my kitchen cabinets in my new home.